Yeah, so guys, somebody's cleaning. I'm doing my chores. See how somebody's cleaning. Don't mind, but I'm cleaning, guys. So guys, now I'm now doing the laundry. It's a laundry time. So I use this Star Soft. If you've never tried this, try it. It's nice. It smells nice. Then for the washing soap, I use Mark. That's the one that is written auto. But unfortunately, last time when I went to buy my groceries, I couldn't find it. So I had to take this one, the Sunlight 5-in-1. It's a 3 kg. The reason why there was mark not for automatic, but this one was on special. You know, as black women, we love those cheap thing. So this one was on special. I forgot it was how much in Spar, so I had to buy this. The only reason was it was on special, but I use Mark. So this is the so what I do when I put this like this, when it finish washing, I will repeat so that the clothes will get will be, what do you call it? They will be very clean. I don't know, but you see when the water comes, you see that maybe it will be this part. You see, they're not that close, but you know. So this is what I do, guys. There is this connection. I put a hose pipe. I'm not using those pipes for washing machine. The reason why is I'm using it in the kitchen. You know, if you're lodgers, we don't have our bathroom doesn't have something that we can use for the washing machine, and also for the cords to put electricity. We have the short cords, and the circuits that are too far from the bathroom. So I'm improvising, guys, so don't come after me. So as you can see, the hose pipe is just passing through it going out. I get the water from outside, as you can see, and this thing, it will drain here. So don't come after me like, yo, yeah, what do you call it? I'm a dirty person. No, I'm not. I'm just improvising, and I will clean it after using it. That's why you see I start with my dishes, then I'll clean. The reason being is we maybe when we go to another apartment, maybe it will be okay, but for now, since we are here, we must improvise. So we must do what is there. So don't come after me, guys. I know what I'm doing, but there's nothing I can do. It's better, half a fell off is better than nothing. As long as I'm doing my washing, I can't use the hands, you know. I have a kid, you know. Everyone is going to work except me, but he's going to school. We have a lot of laundry. I do a lot of laundry, so I can't do it like every day, guys. And it's cold nowadays. You have to hold water, you know. So that's it. So let's do the washing, guys, together. So I'll let this washing machine do its own things. Me, I'm not going to do the chores. I'm not going to clean my bathroom. After cleaning the bathroom, I clean Shalom's room. I go to my bedroom. Then I'll come back to the kitchen. The kitchen is not that dirty because I wiped everything when I was done doing my dishes. So I wiped because I wanted to wash also those clothes that I used to wipe things. So it's only the floor that is dirty, but not that dirty. So let me start to the house chores, guys. Stay tuned. See how it did. You know, somebody was bathing to go to the work, so I have to clean. Yeah, I have to clean. It's time to clean. You see my pens now. I want to replace the toilet paper. So this is what was here. You see, these people, they use tissues, and if it's small like this, they just leave it. So that's my duty. I change. So I put this one. So let's start the chores, guys. Let's start cleaning. So guys, let me start cleaning this toilet. It's unfortunate. What's this now? I don't know. Oh, I don't know. Maybe it's from the tissue. Okay. I was saying, it's unfortunately you can't see anything when I'm doing it. I don't have portrait, guys. Is that a portrait? No. Guys, see my mouth? It's too cold here. It's now starting to crack. Don't think it's white things. It's cracking. I don't know. What do you call it, guys? Those things for the phone. I don't know. I forgot the name. I know it, but I just forgot the name. So I gave it to somebody to use it, and guess what, guys? The person didn't. And guess what, guys? The person didn't give me back the thing and my mics. So I have to buy again. So that's the reason why it's getting difficult for me to do the vlogs nowadays. But I'm sure I'll buy a ring light that have that stand and the mics soon. Not so sure when, but soon. I'll order it from Takealot. So I don't know when they will deliver it, because it's not difficult for me. I can't clean the thing whilst I'm holding a phone. So guys, let's just do the thing. So okay, let me start cleaning. After cleaning, I'll just show you when I'm done. So I'm done. So I'm done cleaning Shalom's room. As you can see, this is a room. So I'm done cleaning Shalom's room. It's now neat. There's nothing much here. It's just a TV and a bed and a stud table. It's just a wardrobe. So it's not that much. So let me go to another room, my bed. So guys, I'm done with my bedroom. Now I'm going to do the passage in the kitchen as well. My clothes, I think that first load is almost done. I want to go and put it on the line. So stay tuned. How is my nails, guys? How is my nails? So guys, tine imwe room yandashandisa is stud room, but now takuishandisa we have another new project, which is this one. As you can see, then this is the machine. Takaisa padenga kutotisa zarebo, sometimes panosara sara madhizo. So we are doing injectors, tiri kugadzira injectors. This is the pump. Kana ari blocked, I don't know what they call it. Ndopa vanenge vachimaisa. Then each ndochinopa pressure and so forth. I think I will do a vlog another day to show you how to do the injectors, how we do the injectors. So this is our side hustle thing. So this room is reserved for this, and this one is just for my gym, don't mind it. So this is our new hustle, guys. We are now doing the injectors for Africa. We fix the injectors and service them. So I was also cleaning here. It was full of diesel here, but as you can see, it's now clean. So I'm done, guys. As you can see, I'm done. It's done. So it's time for me to take off these things. Okay guys, thank you for watching to this far. So this is how I was doing my morning routine for today. If you watched till this far, I really appreciate your support. Thank you so much. I didn't want to make this video long, and I think one day I will do a video of Shalom, a day in her life, and as well my day in my life, like for example starting from the morning till we sleep. I will show you guys. So anyway, if you are new from this channel, please don't forget to love, like, share, and subscribe guys. If I check my likes for my videos guys, I don't want to lie, it's too small, the numbers of likes than the numbers of views. The numbers of views is very big, and the likes and the comments is very disappointing. So guys, I'm kindly asking if you can like and comment to my videos guys. I would really appreciate that with my whole heart. Please do support me guys. My channel is too small, I'm still trying to grow. So if you comment, I don't mind what you are going to comment, and also just like guys, just put a like on my video. It will help me my videos to grow fast and also to go far. So please guys, I'm just kindly asking if you can do that for me. If you really love me, please just do to support me guys. Thank you so much. Thank you. I really appreciate you guys. Bye. See you next time.